This is Inform TV 100. We are cooking collard greens. We're cooking the black eyed peas, but we're also cooking collard greens. So, what we did is the collard greens have been washed, they have been cut up, and they are in the pot. We cut up onions and added onions to the greens. We washed them, rinsed them off, and you can get them pre done, but you still have to rinse them off. Okay, and here, so we're going to cut up some more onions, and going to add a little bit more onions to the grease. Okay. And we have some more, and I'll tell you what we're adding. We're adding this Tabitha. It's called Tabitha Brown seasoning. It's a no salt seasoning. It's called sweet and smoky. So gonna a little bit of that in there. And then also we're gonna add her other seasoning. You can add any type of smoke in there. This is called Sunshine. It's got a little tangy sweet taste to it. It's called it's salt free by Tabitha Brown. Garlic, ginger, pineapple, and mango. It's really good. Just a hint of flavor. We're not going to add meat in there because we did put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom, and the smoky gives it a meaty taste to it. And we put a little bit of tomato paste, just a little bit, just give it a little, maybe a teaspoon of tomato. So I'm gonna add water to this. And how is everyone doing? This is a part of our reset journey as we're cooking today. And hope everyone is resetting, goal setting, and New Year's resolutions do not have to be a long term. You can just take it a day at a time and a week at a time. Okay, so of course we've washed our hands several times. We're a big hand washer, so we're gonna add a little water, just enough to cover the bottom, because we're gonna cook this in the pressure cooker, which is the Instapot. So we don't really need to put a lot of water in it because it cooks under high pressure and it does not escape. This thing doesn't. Okay. So have our collard greens with our ingredients and onions, cut up onions in there. And let's see. Put the top on the Instapot. And yeah. There you go. Turn it. And so pressure cooker. Let's see. Gonna cook it for 30 minutes. Cook our collard greens for 30 minutes. And we're gonna put a little bit of the onion after the collard greens are done. And gonna move back over our black eyed peas. Is still soaking. Gonna soak that probably about an hour more, and then we're gonna cook it in the pressure cooker. Yeah. And add onions and also the special seasonings. We'll not be cooking meat in the black eyed peas. So how is everyone doing? So this is what we're doing for New Year's. Our reset, we're cooking healthy food and just, relaxing and just thinking about the goals, business goals and people goals. And this is the year of kindness and support. And we will clean up. I like to clean as I go. I like to clean as we go. So those greens should be done in about 30 minutes. And we will be back in 30 minutes to see how our greens are coming along. Hope you are inspired. I hope this channel inspires you to. Our giveaway was really very, very successful. The people were very appreciative, and there's so many people need help. There were a couple of people that we donated to that didn't want to be on camera, was having a very hard time. One particular person, I did take his picture. He said he wanted people to see, but I'm struggle. I don't know if I will post it, but he told me he was starving, and he really appreciated what we were doing. So we tried to do the best we can. Every little bit good that we do in this world counts. And this is Inform TV 100. We are doing our New Year's reset. And God bless you. Be good to yourself as well as others. You are everything, and everything is you. Bye for now. Bye. We will see you in the next video when those collard greens should be done. And then we will work on the black eyed peas. Bye, guys.